So making money online is no hidden secret these days. A lot of people are interested in it and a lot of people do it, a lot of people promote it. And there's also a lot of people that want to find out how to get involved but are worried about being scammed, what's the right path, what's, you know what I mean? A lot of people don't want to risk anything, but they want to gain something from it. So today I want to share with you how I am able to make a few bucks online through affiliate marketing, which is video is about really. I do trade Forex and I do involve trade in the stock market, but I'm going to be focused on one other source of just like a little extra income, and that's through affiliate marketing. So if you watch this channel, if you watch my previous channel, then you guys know I trade Forex, and I learned to trade Forex through a company called Infinite Prosperity, which is the company that also provides a platform for affiliate marketing. So basically what affiliate marketing is, just selling a product on behalf of someone else. Now, this can be very controversial depending on like what you're promoting and whatnot, because some people just promote a product for the sake of gaining some extra revenue from it. But I genuinely only promote this product because it's worked for me, and I genuinely believe that it can change a numerous amount of people's life as long as they put the work in. I mean, yes, it's only a few extra bucks, but it's helped me in the past few months of paying for certain stuff, treat myself to some new garms, if you guys know what that means. And even like this month, I recently picked up this new lens for us because I got a pay down. I thought, you know what, I might as well just try something. Actually, I put this on now just to see the difference. Let's do that quickly. So this is what the new lens that I picked up the other day through having this little extra source of income coming in just to treat myself looks like. I only picked it up because obviously I'm interested in making videos. As you guys know, if you know anyways, I have a second channel that's currently on 16,000 subscribers. So yeah, this is just a little thing to up the production value and just to be a bit more creative. But anyways, so if you're not into videos and whatnot, you can use it to buy a new pair of trainers, help a family member. I do whatever you want with it. You know, like an extra income. What would you do? Think about it now. What would you do with an extra £100-200 every month? So how this affiliate program works is you have to be a member of Infinite Prosperity. The perks of being a member, for one, is that you learn how to trade and invest, and you have a library with so much knowledge about how to make money. You have access to mentors that you can speak to about how to make money, how to do this, how to do that. It's worth it, in my opinion. Like at the time when I paid for this course, it was like $300 US because it was on sale. Like normally like around like holiday periods like Easter, Christmas, bank holidays, special days, like they tend to have a sale that takes the price down to around $300. But when it's not a sale, it's around $500, $499 or something like that for a silver membership. If you go on there, you can correct me if I'm wrong, it might be less. At the time of making this video, I put a screenshot of how much I've made. And now I realize I never said I've made tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. I'm saying just a few £100 every month, or a few $100 every month. That's just like, you can just let it sit there and build for maybe Christmas, where you can just go on a spending spree, or you can just like every month, okay, I got a few £100, let's go get this, let's go get that, or whatever, you know what I mean? So, or you can just put it in your trading account to help build your trading account. That's one of the initial things that I was gonna do with it, but I thought, I want to buy a new lens. So I put on screen a screenshot of all the sales that I've made. I'll be completely transparent right now. I'll put on screen a screenshot of all the sales that I've made and how much revenue that's made me. So as you can see, I look on the screen now while it's on the screenshot or whatnot, because yeah. So as you can see, commission that's been paid out to me, $1,473, and the revenue that I've completely made for the company is $7,380 with a 20% commission, blah blah blah. And you can see my conversion rate is 0.25%. So that's not even a massive conversion rate. That's just like very little. So for someone that's out there that can market, that can sell, that can promote things, like they might have like a 10%, a 50% conversion rate, and that's just crazy. But as I said, it's just something I just leave in the description. When anyone asks me, I just say, you know what, this is what I have done and it's worked for me. You guys can do it yourself and see how it goes for you. You got a 30-day free membership or something, not 30-day free membership, 30-day money back guarantee. So if you purchase the course, you don't like it, then 30 days you can get your money back. So I always say, just try the free membership, see what it's like. And if you want to pay for it, see the lessons. If it's not for you, just ask for your money back. And then obviously that helps someone to change their lives through trading, investing, learning about the stock market, learning about how to ways of creating different income streams and whatnot, as well as you're helping someone doing that, and then they can, if they want to help someone else, then they get a percentage off doing that. So it's just a win-win really. Like, I'm not doing it because I'm greedy. If I was doing it because I'm greedy, then I'll be more interested in something that pays me out like £1,000 every month. But it's just a few $100s, a few £100s, and it's just a bonus for helping someone else. So if you do good, then you receive good in that sense. That's how I look at it. So yeah, that's my little way of how I make an extra few bucks from affiliate marketing. If it's something that you're interested in, then click the link below. See what it's all about. I'd mainly say to do this only if you're interested into trading, because if you're only interested in the affiliate sales, and then you just purchase this course and then just sell it off to, and just promote it, and then someone asks you what's this all about, and then you don't know what to say, I'm just doing it because I want to make a few extra pounds or extra few dollars every month, then that's what I don't want to do. So if you're interested into trading and you take the course, then you can then promote the course to anyone else that you know that interested into trading, and that's what I tend to do through my videos. So yeah, I hope that video was somewhat informative, helpful. And if you're new to the channel, then I make videos covering topics of a similar niche. So if that's something of interest to you, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. At that point, I'll start placing live trades and just grow this community. So yeah, leave in the comments below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.